Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to an episode of Dreadlocks. I'm Gunther the Great, and today we're not only going to be talking about the reason why I cut my dreadlocks, because I've covered that in plenty of other videos, but mostly why I haven't started my dreadlocks yet, and then also when do I plan on starting my dreadlocks. But also that last part, I'm going to cover it more in depth on a video on the Gunther the Great channel. So that's my main channel. If you're not already subscribed to that, go subscribe to it. There is a lot that is going into what I plan on doing with my hair. The reason why I haven't started my dreadlocks, well, we'll get into that next. Let's go ahead and jump into the number one reason why. I'll go ahead and give you guys the real reason why I cut my dreadlocks. There was a lot that went into it. It wasn't only just I just wanted to cut my hair, because I did want to have short hair as well. But obviously there was more that went into it. And if you haven't seen the haircut video, I'm gonna link it down below. But it was, for lack of better words, it was pretty emotional. Just because I had been growing my hair out for a really long time. Me deciding to actually get dreadlocks and grow out my hair, a lot of things came out of that, because just to reiterate what I said in that video, I started a YouTube channel because I started my dreadlocks and I wanted to track my progress. So shout out to all the OGs out there, the original greats. It was a really cool experience to actually film, and I just remember it like it was yesterday, picking up the camera and filming my first ever dreadlock update, and it was my 5-month update. That always kind of weighed on me because I started so late with filming and I didn't get to show you guys everything that went into actually starting the dreadlocks. So to be honest, that was one reason as far as YouTube why I actually cut my dreadlocks and I wanted to restart, because I never got to show you guys the beginning stages, that crucial 5-month period of me, creating the actual dreadlocks to the point to where they, to where they look pretty good and they're very mature. Because, some people's dreadlocks take about, maybe a year, maybe 2 years to actually mature up. But I was able to actually make them look really tight and very maintained in 5 months. And I want to be able to show you guys everything that I've done, or everything that I can do in order to get my dreadlocks as nice as possible, but keep them as, as free as possible at the same time. So I'm not releasing exactly what I plan on doing with my hair. I'm gonna give you guys some options that I have in mind, what I want to do with starting my dreadlocks at the end of this video. Yeah, that was one of the biggest reasons, because on all of my channels, they're all teaching channels. So everything that I do, I want to teach you guys something, and it's not only all just about hair. You guys have seen my fitness videos on the main channel, and that has been doing well. I actually made it on Men's Health magazine twice already. That has just been going great. Everything that I do, especially on the main channel, is all just really about hair, health, and hygiene. On this channel, obviously, I show you guys how to get your dreadlocks like these people that a lot of you look up to, or a lot of these people who have really awesome dreadlocks. And all it takes is really these simple steps that I always tell you guys, is like their hair type, the method, the maintenance, their hairstyle, if they dye it or not. Yeah, to bring it all back, the reason I cut it was not only just because I wanted short hair, because I wasn't necessarily tired of my long hair, but there wasn't much I could do anymore. There was nothing I can necessarily experiment, for lack of better words, or I couldn't do anything more to show you guys, because I had pretty much done everything to make my hair look the way that it looks. The only thing after that is I would be able to do hairstyles. I wanted to be able to kick back into learning mode or teaching mode and be able to show you guys from the beginning all the way to full maturity, which is a year. So I really believe that that is the main reason why I cut my dreadlocks, was because I wasn't able to teach you guys anymore. Like I said, it was just mostly about hairstyles or reacting to your guys' dreadlocks, which I love to do. Then just reacting to videos, that's what I started gearing towards, is just reacting. I wanted to be able to get back to my roots of actually teaching and doing what I really enjoy to do, and it's helping all of you guys out. Because I can definitely say that once I got a little further into it, it was hard. I almost felt disconnected from a lot of you, because my hair was already long and then I wasn't really going through a process. I just had dreadlocks, just like someone who has dreadlocks, and obviously there's nothing wrong with that, but I wasn't going through a process of maintenance and choosing a method and all these steps, which now that I'm speaking about it, I'm really excited to actually do it. So that was why I literally just took my hair. If you've seen anything on my main channel, I literally cut my hair all the way down. So my hair is obviously really short right now. Yeah, that was probably the main reason. That was the real reason why I actually cut off my dreadlocks. So yeah, I'm really excited to start on my next journey of a full head of dreadlocks versus a high top fade. Now, the reason why I haven't started my dreadlocks yet is because, first and foremost, when I cut my hair down to get waves, I wasn't sure if I was actually going to enjoy my waves. So I did that as an experiment to see how I would look with waves. And to be honest, I started to like myself with short hair. I even went even shorter just recently, but for quite some time, I think it was maybe 2 months that I was actually rocking the waves. I really enjoyed it, and I think what I'm gonna do now, actually I'm not gonna tell you everything that I'm gonna do. I'll explain like when I plan on starting my dreadlocks though here in a little bit. I really enjoy having short hair just for a little bit, just because it's low maintenance, and I wanna take a time just to like really just focus on myself and build myself up, because this whole time I haven't been focusing too much on like anything else, because you guys already know that my wife is pregnant, so we're expecting a baby in September. It's just easy for me to like kind of sit back and look at everything and then be able to plan everything out. And then like I just really want this time to not worry really much about anything. And I'm not saying that when I start dreadlocks there's worries that come with it, or it's just like there's more that goes into it, because there's more planning and then figuring out what I want to create and also what I want to teach you guys. Yeah, I'm really excited about this time that I'm in right now. I thank you all for sticking with me through it, and I just wanted to explain it on this channel as well, because I have been hitting it on my main channel. If you guys aren't already subscribed, go subscribe to Gunther the Great, which is my main channel. There's more stuff on that channel, and then also you can subscribe to my family channel, because we're doing updates on everything that's going on in our life in general. So you'll see everything about the baby on there, everything about our family, and it's a really cool channel. I really enjoy it. It's one of my favorites to actually create for, because my whole family's involved. And of course I love all my other channels as well. But yeah, that was the main reason why I haven't started my dreadlocks quite yet, is because I really have enjoyed my short hair. One thing that I did with cutting my hair short, I still had a high top fade with the waves. You know, I made the decision, you know, I'm just gonna do a buzz cut, and this was something that just came out of the blue. I just wanted all my hair to be one length, because it hasn't been one length in probably 6 or 7 years. I've not had one length of hair in about that long. So now all my hair is one length, and I just have like a really tight taper fade on the front, you know, temples, and then on the back as well, really tight. And I'm even debating if I want to keep tapering or if I'm just gonna allow it to grow out. I know I'm gonna keep on doing the lineup, but we'll see. In the next haircut video, we'll see what I do, because I'm gonna update you guys on the main channel what I'm doing with my hair during this whole hair growth process. All right guys, so the big question, when am I actually going to start my full head of dreadlocks? I'm not gonna tell you what method I'm choosing. That's a whole nother video, and I'm just gonna take you guys through that process step by step. It's gonna be a big surprise as well, so stay tuned for that. When do I plan on doing it? Well, definitely when my hair is long enough. So my hair is literally like not even half an inch right now, maybe half an inch possibly, but it's really short. It doesn't even stand up really. So it's gonna need some time. It's gonna take me probably about two more months of hair growth, or maybe 3, in order to have adequate hair length in order to start dreadlocks, because I want to start them at about maybe 4 inches this time, maybe 3 to 4 inches. I know that with 4 inches I'll be able to make very clean dreadlocks. Yeah, that's probably what I'm aiming for. I can't say that I'm really excited for it, because they are not as high maintenance as waves. I'm just gonna push through these next few months. And I can say this, I'll tell you this, is that I am actually going to be doing 360 waves on my whole head and rock with those for until it grows out. I'm just going to do a complete wolf. I'm not going to cut it after the wolf. So a complete wolf and then get dreadlocks. So I'm looking really forward to it. Hopefully you guys are too. But guys, that is my whole explanation. Thank you for sitting through this video. And please go subscribe to my main channel, and then also go subscribe to the family channel to stay updated with all the family that's going on. But other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.